In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block a number on iPhone. To block a number on iPhone is very easy, and I'm going to show you that. The first thing you want to do, as you can see, this is the home screen of iPhone. The first thing you want to do here, you want to locate the call center icon. As you can see, if you check the bottom left corner, you are going to see the calling icon, the call center icon over there. So I want you to tap on that call center icon. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. So as you can see, we are inside the call center. So what do you want to do here? What you want to do here is very simple. You want to look down here. If you check the down part, you are going to see we have the recent calls, we have the favorite, we have the contact. I want you to tap on contact. So go to contact. Once you go to contact, I want you to look for the number you want to block. So look for the number you want to block inside your contact. So let's say we want to block this number, for example, this first number, for example. So tap on that number you want to block. So let me tap on this number. So once you tap on the number you want to block, it will take you to this page. I want you to scroll down. If you scroll down, you are going to see the down part here, we have block caller. So what I want you to do here, you want to tap on this block caller. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will ask you, are you sure you want to block this contact? Because we are here to block straight. Just tap on block contact. Once you tap on block contact, this contact will be blocked on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually block any number on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.